Setting up your InHand IR305 router and failover on Mac. In this video, we'll unbox the InHand IR305 router and show you how to do the initial setup on your Mac. We'll also show you how to set up link backup failover. When you first open the box, here's what you should see. The InHand IR305 router, 4G and Wi-Fi antennas, a power cable, an Ethernet cable, an accessory kit that includes mounting tools, screws, and a SIM pin. Initial setup. The first step to setting up your router is making sure the SIM card is in place. If your device isn't already provisioned, use the SIM pin to open the SIM slot. Place your SIM securely in the tray and then insert it back into the router. The next step is to attach the antennas. You should have two 4G antennas and 2 cellular antennas. Go ahead and attach the Wi-Fi antennas to the ports labeled Wi-Fi. Next, attach the 4G antennas to the ports labeled cellular. Now you can attach the power cable. Insert the green block end of the cable into the router and the other end into a power outlet. Once the cable is in, the power, system, and network lights should appear. Once the lights are steady and not blinking, take the Ethernet cable provided and plug one end into your computer and the other end into a LAN slot on the router. A green and yellow light will appear above the slot once the cable is plugged in. Next, you're going to configure the PC to be in the same network as the IP address of your router. Look for InHand router on the list of preferred networks and select it. Go to the TCP IP tab and make sure that IPv4 is configured automatically. Click OK. Now go to 192.168.2.1 in your browser of choice and log into your router. For first-time setup, the username is ADM and the password is 123456. Be sure to change your password once you log in for the first time. Once you're logged in, go to Status, our network connections, and make sure the device is connected and has an IP address. The next step is to set up the Wi-Fi. Go to Network WLAN. Select Enable. Adjust the settings for the network as needed and click Apply. Now try connecting to the network. Click on the Wi-Fi icon at the top of the screen, look for your InHand router under Preferred Networks, and click on it. Once you're connected, the Wi-Fi connection should be up and running. Setting up link backup and hot failover. Now we're going to set up hot failover for your InHand 305 router. The first step is to use another Ethernet cable. Plug one end of the cable into your home or office router and the other into the WAN slot on the InHand router. Once that's done, go to Network and click on Link Backup. Select Enable. For backup mode, select Hot Failover. Make sure that WAN is listed as the main link. For ICMP detection server, type in 8.8.8.8. Make sure cellular is listed as the backup link, and hit Apply. Go to Status, Route Table. Here you should see the default option listed as your main link, WAN. Now you've successfully set up link backup hot failover for your router. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe for more tech videos. Let us know in the comments below what other videos you'd like to see from us.